Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
So, welcome guys, welcome to India Forums and congratulations. Welcome to the movie. Congratulations on Bad Boy. So,
Thank you.
Amreen, you tell me, has being an actress always been your thoughts like?
First of all, thank you, Kajal and India Forum for having me. Um, I'll just say that my first memory of this would be that my grandparents have always believed in me, even before I could recognize this, that they always saw me on a big screen. So that is my first memory. And then my mom and my dad, they always, I think it was just there subconsciously, and I let this come to me naturally.
Right. And for you, Namashi, you've grown in like with Mithunda with all your life. So, was this idea always in your mind that you want to be an actor?
हाँ, मुझे तो मतलब पहले मुझे लगता है जिस दिन मैं पैदा हुआ उस दिन से ही मुझे एक्टर ही बनना था। मैं बचपन से लेके अब तक मुझे सिर्फ एक्टर बनने का ही ख्याल आया है। मुझे लगता नहीं मेरा कोई प्लान भी था, जबकि मुझे कहना चाहिए प्लान बी इज नॉट अ बैड आइडिया, बट यस, मुझे हमेशा से ही एक्टर बनना था।
And you've grown up watching all your father's movies?
सब देख ली, मृगिया से ताशकंद फाइल्स तक सब।
Which is a favorite movie of your father? Tough choice.
I like Prem Pratigya,
Oh,
I
right.
like Phulo Rangar, I love Jallad.
Yes. Oh, yeah.
Guru was great. Yeah, Guru was great. The new one.
So I think first are always special, and you're making your debut with Bad Boy. So tell me, like, what was that one thought that made you feel that Bad Boy is the right choice for you to make the perfect start?
I think Bad Boy has all the elements. It's a commercial movie. It has romance. It's very innocent. It has comedy. It has a great star cast, and it's been directed by Rajkumar Santoshi. So it's a perfect, a dream debut anyone could have asked for.
काजल, मेरे लिए तो मुझे मौका मिल जाना ही प्रिविलेज है। मुझे काम से ज्यादा एक्साइटिंग कुछ लगता नहीं है, और क्योंकि मैंने बहुत इससे पहले ठोकरें खाई थी बिफोर गेटिंग बैड बॉय, मैंने काफी रिजेक्शंस देखे थे, काफी ऑडिशंस में कोई रीजन से बात नहीं बनी थी। तो जब साजिद भाई ने मुझे बोला कि भाई तुम्हारे साथ मुझे काम करना है, तो मैंने बोला साजिद भाई डन। फिर एक हफ्ते बाद उन्होंने बोला डायरेक्टर है राजकुमार संतोषी साहब, और राज जी ने भी बोला यार तुम अच्छे तो हो लेकिन लुक टेस्ट करना पड़ेगा। और लुक टेस्ट के बाद जब फिल्म मुझे और अमरीन को मिल गई, मैंने बोला अब कोई सवाल नहीं, मुझे कोई भी रोल मिल जाएगा, आई एम हैप्पी। लेकिन टाइटल रोल मिल गया, ये तो मेरी खुशकिस्मती है।
But like you said, you auditioned before for like script.
बहुत बहुत।
Yeah. And Amreen, did you audition earlier?
So it's been a very short time since I've decided that acting is gonna be my career. So, but within that time span, I think I had to groom myself a lot. I had to teach myself a lot and learn a lot. So I did whatever I could, and I did like a lot of. I did audition, maybe not as much as Namoshi, but I did, and whatever that didn't work out from my side or from their side, I think whatever happens happens for good, and it was destined that Bad Boy would come my way.
And Bad Boys finally happened, and we've seen the poster. Too much fun, very colorful, but still it's very intriguing because we don't know much about it. So I think
Yeah.
you're gonna tell us something about the movie, about your characters.
Yeah. As you can see in the poster, it's something that no one has ever done before. It's cool and it's fiery, and it shows exactly what Namoshi's character and my character are in the movie. I think my character, Rituparna, in the movie, she's a very sweet and simple girl, and I related to her a lot when I was doing my reading and everything. I felt like I connected to her on a deeper level, and I know for a fact that other girls are going to relate to her too, because I think she portrays like every girl's dreams, her feelings, and everything. So I'm hoping that all the girls can relate to her.
And for you, coming to you.
काजल, मेरा कैरेक्टर इस फिल्म में जो है उसका नाम है रघु, और रघु जो है वो एक ज्यादा पढ़ा लिखा, ज्यादा तमीजदार लड़का नहीं है, लेकिन वो बहुत होशियार है, स्ट्रीट स्मार्ट है, और उसका दिल बहुत साफ है। तो उसकी जिंदगी में पूरी तरह से एक चेंज आता है जब वो अमरीन के कैरेक्टर ऋतुपर्णा से मिलता है, और कैसे उसकी जिंदगी बदल जाती है जब वो प्यार में पड़ता है, और उसके इर्द गिर्द ही फिल्म की कहानी है, कॉमेडी, रोमांस, सब कुछ है।
Right, like too much entertainment I can sense.
Yes.
But how much of a bad boy are you in real life?
I don't know. I mean, Amreen would answer better. I don't know.
he is a bad boy. Okay, I do have to agree. The title does justice to him. He is a bad boy.
हाँ.
Like, as much as I know him, I think the title does justice to him. But also, like, I don't mean bad boy as in a bad person. I think he's a very genuine person and a good actor,
Yeah, like just fun and games.
a fun person.
Thank you.
Right, right. And Amoshino, you tell us, what kind of person is Amreen? Is she like your partner in crime or a good girl?
I would say Amreen is one of the sweetest people I've met in my life of the 27 years I've lived. Despite being from a very privileged life and a I would say, well secured background, she has no air about herself. She is a very simple and hardworking person. And I would say she is a rare person in the film industry. She's rare.
Thank
That's
you.
so sweet.
Yeah,
Okay,
such kind words.
yeah. So I think it's safe to say that the poster is very well received. Like,
Yes.
right, from Salman Khan to Amitabh Bachchan, everybody is like supported it already. So it's a big hit already.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
Yeah.
but what is, like, you tell us your personal reactions that you've seen from your closest friends and family.
I mean, the poster getting revealed was itself such a huge thing. It's a step closer to the movie. So my family was super proud to see me on a poster, and Salman Khan sir tweeting about this, and the poster being revealed by him is such a huge thing in himself. Like, he has such a big heart, and I feel like all the generations have kind of helped us and supported us, from Amitabh Bachchan sir to Salman Khan and Varun Dhawan. How can I forget that? So I had a little fangirl moment when he posted about this. So yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, Kajal. I mean, it's the goodwill of my parents, especially my father. He's had such a good rapport with so many people in this film industry, and the goodwill of Sajid Bhai, Rajkumar Santoshi sir, that Salman Bhai and Amit Uncle both tweeted for us, and Varun,
Yeah.
he's a dear friend, he also helped us, so it means the world to us.
And how did Mithunda react to this? Like, when did you tell him that, this is the movie that you're doing?
Well, उनको तो पता चला after I signed the film, because I didn't take dad's help for anything. Initially I've taken his help all my life. In terms of education and everything, I've taken all that which I get. But industry, mein, I didn't take his support because I wanted to figure out कि मुझ में कितना दम है. I always wanted to be me. Being someone's son is always being under the shadow of someone.
Yeah.
वो तो anyways अभी comparison होगा ही, क्योंकि I can't escape that. But on
Right.
my own, what I wanted to see, और उसमें बोलना चाहूँगा, उसमें बहुत rejections थे, लेकिन eventually मुझे Bad Boy मिली अपने merit पे. तो he was very proud जब मुझे फिल्म मिली. He was very happy. और जब राजकुमार संतोषी का नाम सुना, साजिद भाई का नाम सुना, he was extremely happy for me.
I think that's brilliant. And both of you guys come from a filmy background, right? So is there some sort of pressure? Because, this whole argument of nepotism is something that you cannot escape and it's
हाँ.
going to follow you. So has there been like a constant pressure for you to work more because you belong from a filmy background?
Kajal, I think that every industry is gonna have a doctor is gonna have his son, and then the doctor, like the father, would definitely
Yeah.
want the son to succeed in the same industry. So we are very fortunate that we have such supporting parents, and I know that our fathers belong in the same industry, and that may have helped us. It did definitely, but at a point you just have to, it's your acting at the end of the day that the audience is gonna love. I feel like the audience has changed a lot over the years. It's not just gonna be like, oh, we are gonna support this person because he's a star kid, she is a star kid person, like a kid. But nowadays it's just purely based on talent and hard work.
That's true. Yeah.
मैं अग्री करता हूँ अमरीन से, क्योंकि नेपोटिज्म का जो डिबेट है वो सिर्फ सरप्राइजिंगली फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में है. क्योंकि मेरे जो दोस्त है, उनके बेटे, मतलब जिनके वो फादर है, उन्हीं का बिजनेस उनका बेटा फॉलो करता है.
Yeah.
तो उसमें तो लेगेसी होती है. नेपोटिज्म फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में इसलिए बोला जाता है क्योंकि यहाँ पे फेम जुड़ा हुआ है. तो लोग थोड़े इरिटेट हो जाते हैं कि यार हमको इतनी मेहनत करनी पड़ती है, इन लोग आते ही इनको काम मिल जाता है. So, but again, you know, that's true also. कहीं ना कहीं तक उन लोग हद तक सही है, because हमारे लिए easier है. You know, मुझे
Right.
नहीं पता अगर मैं चक्रवर्ती नहीं होता तो मुझे क्या साजिद भाई, राजकुमार संतोषी सर मिलते भी, मुझे नहीं मालूम. वो
Right.
मिलने की भी जो अपॉर्चुनिटी है वो भी बहुत बड़ा प्रिविलेज होता है काजल. बट लाइक अमरीन सेड, इवेंचुअली फ्राइडे को जब फिल्म लगती है, आपका टैलेंट आपको आगे लेके जाता है, आपका सरनेम आपको आगे नहीं लेके जा सकता है.
That's true. So, guys, it's just the beginning, but Bollywood today has too many facets and it's in too many genres. So, is there something in your mind that, you know, at least ये तो करना ही है, मतलब any actor, any genre, anything?
I think it's very important to do a commercial film to make your mark in Bollywood. But I also feel like nowadays small movies are doing so good, and then big movies with small roles are doing so good. So there's nothing really so permanent. It just depends on the audience, as I said, as we're evolving. Yeah.
Yeah, that's
वेल काजल, विश लिस्ट में एक तो नाम ऑलरेडी मुझे पहली फिल्म में ही मेरा पूरा हो गया है, मिस्टर राजकुमार संतोषी. ही इज अ लेजेंडरी डायरेक्टर और ही इज सच अ टैलेंटेड मैन. ऑन सेट 70 डेज, अमरीन यू नो दिस, उनके साथ काम करना इज सरियल. तो एक तो मेरी विश लिस्ट साजिद भाई ने पहली फिल्म में ही मेरी पूरी कर दी, राज जी के साथ फिल्म बनाकर. और भी बहुत लोग हैं, बट आई वुड लव टू डू वर्क एनीवे. मुझे नहीं लगता बड़ा छोटा कुछ होता है, काम काम होता है. यू हैव टू गिव इट योर बेस्ट.
Yeah.
right. So, just to wrap this on a fun note, would you like to share any of your secrets or any fun moments from your set shooting?
From the set, I think the whole movie was my favorite scene. Like the whole movie was a roller coaster of emotions. First are always gonna be first. Nothing can beat first. So yeah.
एवरी डे काजल, हम लोग ने बहुत 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 ज्यादा मजे किए सेट पे, लेकिन हमने बहुत काम किया है. और राज जी के साथ एवरी डे ने टू वर्क विद जॉनी भाई, राजेश शर्मा, सस्वता चैटर्जी, और जो भी इसमें जो नए एक्टर्स आ रहे हैं, अंबर बैनर्जी, अमरजीत सिंह, सागर चौहान, राहुल, शिव आर्यन, इन सब ने बहुत अच्छा काम किया है. तो आई होप जब आप लोग ये फिल्म देखेंगे आप लोग को भी उतना ही मजा आएगा.
I think
Yes.
definitely, and we look forward to this, and our good wishes are there. All the best. So,
Thank
just an ending note, anything for your fans, people who are going to see you, come look forward to see you now. Any message for them?
I just want to tell everyone that is watching this to stay home, stay safe, and stay happy. I think that is the first priority to do in this lockdown and such a tough situation. And I think Bad Boy is the perfect movie to see after the lockdown. It's lighthearted, it's full of entertainment, exactly what you need after this pandemic. So, yeah.
Kajal, I agree with Amreen, but I'm not too sure about me having fans yet. थोड़ा ज्यादा हो गया, but I would definitely wish कि बैड बॉय के बाद अमरीन और मेरी फैन फॉलोइंग हो और लोगों को मजा आए. लेकिन अभी जो वक्त है, बहुत ही टेंस टाइम है दुनिया के लिए, तो लोगों को थोड़ा संयम रखना चाहिए, पॉजिटिव रहना चाहिए, और जरूरत हो तो ही बाहर जाएं, वरना घर पे रहें मस्त, क्योंकि ये हमारे ऊपर है, हम इसको कैसे कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं.
Thank you so much. All the best for Bad Boy.
Thank you.
And, can we do a channel ID, please?
Hey guys, check out our revamped website at www.indiaforums.com to get your daily dose of entertainment.
Hi guys, this is Amreen Qureshi and you're watching me on India Forum.
Hi, this is Namoshi Chakravarti and you're watching me exclusively on India Forum.